Okay, so hello everyone. I'm Zemin Zhao from University at Buffalo. I'm very glad to see all of you today in person and also many folks online. Before presenting the paper awards, I will explain the process briefly. Same as previous years, the PC chairs shortlisted the top ranked papers purely based on the review scores, and the shortlisted papers and their scores were presented to the steering committee to double-check their quality and the qualifications, for which the steering committee this year didn't raise any concerns. So without further ado, I would present the awards. I would kindly ask the awardees to come up to the stage to receive the certificates. So the first award we are going to present is the Best Short Paper Award runner-up, and the runner-up goes to the paper on robustness of lane detection models to physical world adversarial attacks. The authors are Takami Sado and Alfred Chen from UC Irvine. So the winner of Best Shorter Paper Award goes to PASS, a system-driven evaluation platform for autonomous driving safety and security. The authors are Zhisen Hu, Junjie Shen, Senjian Guo, Xinyang Zhang, Zhenyu Zhong, Alfred Chen, and Kang Li. So the authors are from Baidu Security and the user event. Congratulations. Not everyone's here, right?
Looks like
We also have a Best Paper Award for runner-up and winner, and they get cash awards sponsored by UCI Computer Science Department. The runner-up goes to generation of CAN-based wheel lockup attacks on the dynamics of vehicle tractions. The authors Ali Razi, Mahamadi, Hafiz Malik, and Masoud Abuzati. They are from University of Michigan, Dearborn, and GE Global Research. Looks like the authors are not here. Okay, congratulations. The winner of the Best Paper Award, who will receive $200 cash award, are the paper Detecting CAN Masquerade Attacks with a Signal Clustering Similarity. The authors are from Oak Ridge National Lab. They are Pablo Marillo, Robert Bridges, and Michael Inacom. Seems like the authors are not here, but congratulations. This year, actually, we have two Best Paper Awards because we received the same review scores. The second Best Paper winner is a framework for consistent and repeatable controller area network IDS evaluation. The authors are Paul Ajiba, Afi Anumt, Akayuti Mitra, Jider Bloom, and Habib Aulu Faubi. They are from UT Arlington and the University of Colorado Springs. The authors are not here, but congratulations. And with a generous support from General Motors, this year we are giving out General Motors Security Auto Driving Security Award to recognize and reward the research that makes substantial contributions to secure today's emerging autonomous driving technology. And the winner get a $2,000 cash award sponsored by General Motors. And the best paper award goes to Drive Truth, Automated Autonomous Driving Dataset Generation for Security Applications. The authors are Raymond Mueller, Yamao Man, Berkey Chelik, Mindy, and Ryan Girders. They are from Purdue University, University of Arizona, and Virginia Tech. Congratulations. So,